guys, welcome to my channel, Sip Slips and Makeup Tricks. I am Jeannie. Now if you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, please do me the honor, take a quick second and hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, the notification bell. Why? Well, for one, I do amazing monthly giveaways. They happen every single month here on my channel. And if you're wondering what they look like or what you could expect from them, go ahead and check out my June giveaway video. It showcased all of the amazing goodies that one of my subscribers did win, and they happen every month, so why not? Also, I'm not a monetized channel, so I'm simply here doing these just to share all of the things that I love, my makeup and skincare and subscription boxes and makeup looks and all of those great things with all of you. So I don't make any money off of my videos, and subscribing does help me grow my channel. So I really, really do appreciate it. And now that's enough of that. Let's just move on to why we're here. This is the much anticipated Anastasia Beverly Hills takeover box from BoxyCharm. Now, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, they are a monthly subscription box, and they do have some different tiers. They have a $25 base box. You're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products sent right to your door. Now, this is their premium option. Also a monthly box, $35 a month. You're able to customize 2 of the items in here, and you're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. Now, they say that. I've always seen 6. I don't know. They say 6 to 7, but I'm just saying it's mostly 6. But anyhow, you still get amazing value. It's mostly high-end, well-known brands in the box. So let's just jump right in. Now, this month we had a takeover box, meaning every once in a while they will do a brand takeover box, and one brand takes over the whole box. So everything in this box is going to be from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is extremely exciting. Now, like I said, I customized 2 of these. So beforehand, I already knew 2 of the items that were going to be in the box. But when we open her up, it was super cute with the purple and butterfly theme. Obviously, the theme this month is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. I think Norvina is her daughter's name. Now, we always get these cards. One side is going to have the monthly theme, which changes month to month, and the other side is going to have all of the items inside my variation, a little bit of information about each product, along with the retail price. So, yeah, let's just jump right in. Of course, the star of the show is going to be this beautiful palette. Now, we were able to choose between this one or the orange one, and then you were able to choose one of them and then pick the other one up for really cheap in add-ons if you wanted to do that. That is what I did. So let's open her up and have a look. This is the purple one. Now, we do have some gorgeous colors in here, and if you are wondering why I have 2 different eyeshadow looks, it is because I wanted to showcase some different looks with the palette. Both of these looks are solely done with this palette, and the reason that I did it was because so far all of the people that have unboxed their videos with these palettes, I have seen kind of just a lot of like in your face, bam wham, thank you ma'am kind of looks created with them, and I did want to showcase a wearable everyday kind of look, as well as a more of a, you know, bam wham kind of look as well. So obviously with all of these bright colors, you're going to be able to create really fun pink and purple and really flashy looks, but you're also able to keep it neutral if you wanted to. Now, if you want to see close-ups of these looks and the detail, stay tuned till the end of the video, and I will pop in some close-up photos of the looks. So, super cute though. One of them is the flashy pink and purple. I've got some of the blue in there, some of the gold, and then this one is just kind of like a toned-down, neutral gold, peach, and brown. So, definitely something that you could wear to work or what have you. But these do retail for $60. So right there, we have doubled pretty much what I paid for the box, $35. Okay, so moving right along, we'll go into the next item that I chose. Remember I said we could choose 2 items. So the next item that I chose was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil. And where are we at? Yes, this retails for $45. It says Hydrating Oil by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight blend of Mediterranean botanical extracts that deliver antioxidants and nourishing hydration to the skin. This complexion boosting facial oil leaves you with glowing, radiant, softens fine lines, and improves tone and texture. Well, I will just say that before filming, I used everything that I was going to use in the box. So I did try this out. I chose it because I do suffer from very dry skin. So I like spend a fortune on moisturizers and everything else like that. So of course, when I saw this up for choice, I wanted to check it out. And this is what you get. I feel like you definitely get a decent amount of product in here. It does have a very light, almost like, kind of smells like a light, maybe like a light man's cologne. I don't know. That's what I'm getting, but super, super light. Nothing that is so strong that I wouldn't put it on my face, and I am somebody who does not like super scented things when it comes to my facial products. So something super light, airy, coconutty, those kind of things I'm okay with. So this is, it is scented, and to me it smells slightly like a man's cologne, but not over the top. So anyhow, moving on to performance. It was a little more concentrated and oily than I would expect for a facial oil. So I did not use a moisturizer. I used this instead, and I only used about 3 drops, and it's definitely moisturizing. My skin feels very moisturized, but I just am not 100% sure about using it for my face. I will definitely get use for the back of my hands and my elbows and, you know, maybe some other areas of my body, but I'm just not 100% sure about my face yet. It feels a little concentrated. Hopefully it's not going to break me out. We will see, but I am going to continue to play with it. You never know, maybe mixing a drop or 2 right into the foundation or primer, or maybe just using a very small amount, maybe 1 to 2 drops instead of a moisturizer. So I'm going to play with it. As of right now, I'm just not 100% sure about it, but we're gonna, you know, continue to try it out. So, all right, now this next item I was so hoping to get, so I'm super, super excited that I did. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. So this is a makeup setting spray. I normally go with the e.l.f. Coconut Dewy Setting Spray. I love that setting spray, very affordable. I feel like it works and smells amazing. So I have like this much left in my bottle right now. So when I saw that these were coming up in some of the variations, I was like, oh, I hope I get it. I hope I get it. I was almost going to pick it up on add-ons, but something told me I was going to get it in my box, and voila. So super happy about that. It does retail for $26. So it says Dewy Setting Spray by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a coconut vanilla scented setting spray, and they seamlessly blend products together as it sets the makeup, leaving the complexion with a dewy, never oily, radiant finish. This gentle mist is ideal for those with dry skin or those who want to achieve the ultimate dewy glow. Well, I used it. I absolutely loved it. I think that it smells amazing, not overpowering, and sometimes setting sprays stink to me, but this doesn't. I do think it has a lovely smell for a setting spray, and it did give me a beautiful luminosity without overdoing it as well. So I am so glad. Let me open it up and show you how beautiful the packaging is on this. So freaking gorgeous, and I absolutely love the bottles. So it is like gold and glittery, and it says Dewy Set on it, and then I love the top. It has a little twist top, so you twist it, open, spray it. the mist is super fine, so it's not gonna blotch your makeup out or anything like that. I am so happy I got this. I love this product, so I could not be more happy that it came in my box. So there is that. Now, moving on to the next product. This is a loose highlighter in the shade Peach Fizz. I do have it on right now, and I will say that when I found out these were coming into the variations, I thought to myself, if I'm going to get any, I hope to God I get the white one, which I could be wrong, but I believe the white one is called Snowflake, because I did not think that these darker colors I was going to be able to, you know, get away with using them because I am fair skinned. That being said, the packaging is super cute as well. Glittery pink top, and then when you open her up, it's just kind of like your classic powder thing where it's got the little holes. Now, when I saw that I got the Peach Fizz, I was like, damn it. It's not going to work for my skin tone. So maybe I can use it for an eyeshadow or something like that. Maybe we'll find a way to make it work. But like I said, that being said, I did give it a try and I was pleasantly surprised. So I was wrong about that. It is a little bit darker than I would naturally do or pick for a highlight for myself, but amazingly enough, it worked. It has an absolutely gorgeous finish. And like I said, I was just really surprised that it worked for my skin tone. So that was a really nice surprise. It does retail for $25. So yeah, I was really excited, and I do feel like I can multitask with this. Now I know that I can use it for a nice glowy finish highlight. I could also use it for an eyeshadow. You can also mix a couple of drops into the hydrating oil to get a nice sheen on your bust area or your shoulders. You know, it's the summertime, so lots of things that you could possibly do with that. Now, moving on to the next product, unfortunately, this is not something I'll be able to use. I have no use for it. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Now, I just don't have enough natural brow hairs to gel. Like, I mean, they're not there. My brows are pretty much non-existent. I do have to fill them in and, you know, pretty much draw them on to have anything there. So this is not a product that is going to work for me, but it will go into my Christmas in July giveaway for my channel. So that'll be one of the products. Spoiler. I'm not going to obviously take it out and use it because I'm not keeping it, but I will show you. It does have a really cute package. It doesn't feel cheap. It's got some weight to it, and it's just cute, classic silver packaging with the Anastasia Beverly Hills logo. And it does retail for $22. So now the last product in the box I'm pissed about. I got the damn eyeshadow brush, and first of all, I mean, it feels soft. Like, so one side is a flat shading brush, the other side is kind of like a really small, maybe detailed blending brush, and it retails for $16. But here's the thing. We all got a palette. If you go to the store and buy an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you're going to get one of these for free. It should have never been anybody's counted as an item for anybody's box. So I'm a little perturbed at that. We all should have got one of these along with the palette, because if you go buy a palette at the store, you're going to get this in it for free. It shouldn't have been one of our items, but so that's just me throwing a fit, and I should really live by what I tell my kids. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, because all in all, it's an okay box. It did retail for $194, so I paid $35 and got $194 worth of product. I did get some hits and I got some misses, so it is what it is. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. So anyhow, that's going to do it for this. I do have a lot of exciting things coming up. I've got my BoxyCharm base box on the way. I already have my Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm just waiting for my Glam Bag Plus to catch up, because then we're going to do an unboxing of both of those together and a full face of makeup with everything that we got from there. And then I do have 2 of the Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Boxes on the way. Very excited for that. I have the Deluxe and the Premium, so the $60 and the $100 box. I do believe from what I'm hearing there's going to be at least one item that is in both of those boxes, so you already know that that item is going to go straight to my giveaway. And yeah, so lots of exciting things coming up, and until then, just stay safe, stay beautiful, and we will see you soon.